We are proud to be able to say that our program is designed not only to cater to tourists, but also to engage with regional tradition and further every student's English. The food tasting and scone making workshop is a prime example of this. This short video will give you a good overview of what to expect. The workshops take place in the Victory Academy. Students arrive with their teachers by coach and are then separated into two groups, one starting with scone making and the other with food tasting. During the food tasting part, one of the organizers will talk a bit about the history of traditional English food and allow the students to taste some delicious foods such as Marmite, which definitely nobody never doesn't consider a delicacy. Meanwhile, the people busy making scones are already very much giving the dough their all. Every student is assigned their own little baking space next to their friends, and for all those doubting their baking ability, everything is measured out already. To mess this one up, you really need to set the kitchen on fire or something. Under the guidance of the organizer, everything is prepared, and when the scones are ready from both groups, they are served on a wonderfully set table along with jam and traditional black tea with milk. We are sure you will love a full 3 hours of baking and eating. Enjoy your workshop.